Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add stickers on videos using CapCut. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Click the New Project option from the top of your screen. Here, tap on the Import button. Select the video where you want to add sticker. Click the Open button to import it. Once the media is imported, click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the video to add it to the editing timeline. Now, tap on the stickers option from the top left corner of your screen. Find and download the sticker you want to your video by tapping the download button. Finally, tap on the plus icon to add the downloaded sticker to your video. And this is how you can add stickers on videos using CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.